Today I'm going to be planting some chilies. These need to be planted at this time of year because they take a long time to grow. I would have liked to have taken you in the polytunnel, but you may be able to see through the window we've got snow and it's only just over 50 degrees in there, so we're doing it inside. But first of all, what I'm going to do is show you the chilies I've got. I've got a mild 0 rated. I know some of you will be saying boo, who really like strong ones, but there you go. And then we've got a medium one, which is 6 on the scale. And then for my son, who thinks he can eat anything, this year I'm growing a 10 because I want to see his eyes water. So let's get started. I've just got a multi-compost here. Feels a bit cold actually, but I'm going to fill these trays up with it. Oops. Make a nice mess at the same time. Should have brought another one in that I can bash it down with, but never mind. Ah, they're just there, so I can do it. Well done. So I just shove that there. Just wrinkle the surface a little bit. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find my other tray and I'm going to water this with warm water because what the chilies don't like is being cold. So let's just put some water and that will just warm the compost up a little and save me watering it straight away. So that's that. Hopefully that's enough. Stick that down there. Oops. Now then, I better label it first because I should forget what they are. I'll pick the labels up. So the first one I'll do is the mild one. That's for old people like me. So it's called Candy Cane, this one. Candy Cane Red. I was really taken with this one because it looks so pretty and I do believe in growing nice looking vegetables. So let's open it. I'm not sure how many we're going to have in here, but probably one. Oh my goodness, there's not many. Bit of luck I didn't do a whole seed tray for them. I've got 5 seeds. Wow, that was... How much did these cost me? £2.99. So they better all come up. So that's 1, 2 in that one, and I put 3 in this one. 2, 3. I'm not 100% sure if you should cover these or not. I think maybe just a... Oh, it says... Oh goodness. A fine sprinkling of compost or vermiculite. Haven't got any vermiculite, so I'll have to stick with compost. Oh, straight away I've forgotten to write the label. So that was Candy Cane. And this is 0 on the hotometer. That'll go in there. You grow my little beauties. Now the next one we have, we've put Candy over there, is number 6. This is Iannetta. I bought that one because basically it looks like a chilli and I thought I should go for some that actually look like chilies. So let's try this one. I'm doing it again, I haven't written the label first. Oops, can't even open this one. Is there anything in it? Come on, Thompson and Morgan, you usually... Oh, look, they're all in the bottom. Can you see that? I tore them off. These ones aren't actually in a separate bag inside. That's not very clever. Mind you, I'm going to have to be careful not to rub my eyes, because warning here for everyone who doesn't know, be careful handling even the seeds of chili peppers, because you can hurt your eyes. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this one. A little more generous, but not much. They're not counting on me not being able to germinate them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. I think it wants to become part of me. 7. That'll do. Oh no, I've moved it already. Look at that. What a twit. Just press that down. So it's, and these were called, oh, why are these so hard to pick up? Iannetta. Cayennetta. And that is a 6 on the Richter scale. I should keep a note of how many seeds. There were 7 in this one, wasn't there? And in the other one there was 5. Now this one, Demon Red, especially to get my son. This is number 10 on the Richter scale. So if his eyes water, I shall take a picture and show you. I can't wait for him to try it. And I've got to see if there's any in here to start with. Oh, this one's in the bag. Now why is that? All made by the same company, and yet not all of them are in a bag. How strange. I'm going to write his label first so I don't forget this one. This is Demon Red. Right. Is there any seeds hidden? My goodness, there is. Look at that. 2 little ones there. Come out, boys. Oh. So I'm going to stick them in before I lose them. 1, 2. Let's open this really carefully. Oh wow. Oh, I think I flicked one of them. I think there's 5 in this one as well. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm not very impressed with the amount of seeds you get, I must admit. I didn't drop one, did I? No. 5 seeds. How much was that? £3.69. I think I was done there. 5 seeds. Now I usually get bargains, and I like to grow from seeds because I think you get better value for money. Truthfully, if I went to buy these chilies, they would cost me at least, I would say, well, I don't know, £1.50 to £2, I would have thought. I don't know what that is. If you're watching anywhere else, I'm sorry. Put his label in, and we should put them somewhere really warm now because they need to be kept warm. So they're going in my airing cupboard. Sorry family for the mud on the towels and sheets, but there you go. That's what happens this time of year. So that's my pots all potted up and dripping everywhere at the moment. So I'm going to stick them back quick, and hope that helped. Don't expect too many seeds in any chilli packet you buy. Make sure how many you've got before you get lots of seed trays out like I did. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye bye from Valerie at the Homestead.